This is a getting started guide showing you the basics of using Python in IBM Cloud and consuming Watson services, guiding you through how to create an application shell that you can run both inside and outside of IBM Cloud. But first, a word of warning. This is a getting started guide and not a guide in which you can learn Python. There are better suited, freely available courses available for learning Python. You will need to be comfortable with a web framework. Not necessarily Flask or Django, although they are the ones that I use in this course. If you do use a web framework other than Flask or Django, then you may need to modify the code as you work through it. But first, let's explore the Python runtimes and build packs that are available in IBM Cloud. Let's log into IBM Cloud. Let's take a note of the regions that are available. These are regions in which you can deploy your application. In this course I'm going to be deploying to the UK region, but you can deploy to any of the others. The runtimes are actually available on the catalog. There are two runtimes from which you can make a start: the Boilerplate and the Cloud Foundry runtime. The Boilerplate is a Hello World Flask application that doesn't do very much but gives you the application shell, and the Cloud Foundry is a basic Python application. Let's go to the Boilerplate. Make a note of the View Documents link. If your starting point is the Cloud Foundry runtime, you'll see the link in that place as well. So you can actually make a start from either of these two places. Let's click on the link. Note, this documentation shows you how to fix the version of Python that you're going to be using in your runtime environment by setting it in a runtime.txt file. On this page, you'll notice there are two links to the Python build pack. The first shows you the default build pack that's been used in IBM Cloud. So let's click on it, and you'll notice that at the time of recording, the default build pack is version 1.5.15. And here you can see which versions of Python are actually supported by that build pack. If the version of Python isn't available in the default build pack, then you're going to have to use a different build pack. Also take a note of the default binary Python version. This is the version of Python that you'll get with this build pack if you don't define a version in runtime.txt. And for that we'll go into the second link on the documentation page. This shows you all the available releases of build packs. Scrolling down, you can see when support for versions of Python were added or removed. And with that information, you're able to define your runtime environment, the build pack that you need, and you're ready to start.